How to hide connections on LinkedIn. So first of all, launch LinkedIn application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left. From here, go to Settings. Then go ahead and tap on Visibility. Once you come to this page, tap on Connection Visibility option. From here, you can see connection visibility. If this toggle is turned on, you would allow all your connections to see your connection list. Now just tap on this on option in order to turn off connection visibility. Now after this, your connections won't be able to see your connections list on your LinkedIn profile. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.